Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is on how to make this Ankara dress with yoke. This yoke is made with lace fabric. Then the down part is made with Ankara. You'll be needing your paper, your fabric, your tailor's chalk, your tape rule and your scissors. Fold your paper into two. Input your body measurements. Input your neckline measurements. You can use 3 inches by 3 inches. Cut out from the chest line. Cut out the neckline. When you open it up, you have something like this. The upper part, place it on your fabric. It is lace you'll be using. The down part, you'll be using your preferred Ankara. Place the down part that you use paper to cut on your Ankara and cut out. Then sew. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like as well as share my videos. Thank you.